If you're looking to integrate GetResponse with Payhip, you're in the right place. But let me tell you, while both platforms are great for running your business, there's a catch. Integrating them smoothly can be tricky and sometimes frustrating. Stay tuned, because in this quick explainer, we're going to walk you through how to connect GetResponse with Payhip, and by the end, I'll show you a game-changing alternative that might actually be a better fit for your needs. First off, let's start with the basics. GetResponse and Payhip are both fantastic tools in their own right. GetResponse is a powerful marketing automation platform, while Payhip is perfect for selling digital products and memberships. But the problem arises when you try to connect them. It's not as seamless as it should be, and the integration can be confusing. However, here's how you can make it work. The first thing you'll need to do is sign up for both platforms if you haven't already. You'll need a Payhip account for selling your digital products and a GetResponse account to handle your email marketing. Once you're logged in, the next thing you need to do is generate an API key from GetResponse. Head over to your GetResponse dashboard, click on the Integration section, and find the API tab. You'll generate a new API key here. Copy this key because you'll need it for Payhip. Now, let's move over to Payhip. Go to your Payhip dashboard and navigate to Settings and then Integrations. Here, you'll see a field for GetResponse. Paste your API key into the integration box, and just like that, your GetResponse and Payhip accounts will start syncing up. This will allow you to send your customer information from Payhip directly into your GetResponse email campaigns. But here's where things get a little tricky. The syncing process isn't always as smooth as advertised. Sometimes, you may find that your customer data doesn't sync properly or that it's delayed, especially if you have a large customer base. This can lead to gaps in your marketing efforts or a lack of personalized email campaigns. If you're looking to run your business without worrying about syncing issues, this could be a major roadblock. So, next thing, you might need to manually adjust the settings in GetResponse to ensure everything works smoothly. If you've connected everything correctly, you should be able to start using GetResponse to automate your email marketing for Payhip customers. This means you can set up welcome emails, follow-ups, and even sales funnels without too much manual effort. But remember, this automation isn't perfect and might require some fine-tuning as you go. The fourth thing is monitoring your integrations regularly. Both GetResponse and Payhip are constantly updating their systems. Occasionally, these updates can break integrations, so it's always a good idea to keep an eye on how well they're syncing. If you notice any issues, a quick visit to the support pages of both platforms can usually help. Now, here's the deal. GetResponse is great, but it isn't the only solution for email automation. If you're looking for a more reliable and robust integration experience, there are better alternatives out there, especially if you're looking for seamless connection with Payhip. I'll be honest, while GetResponse gets the job done, there are other email marketing tools that make the integration process smoother and faster. In fact, I've found a platform that handles everything better, with fewer syncing issues and more customization options for your campaigns. Plus, they offer an exclusive free trial, so you can try it out with no risk. Stick around because I'll tell you all about it shortly. But before I get to that, let's wrap this up. If you're really set on using GetResponse with Payhip, just follow the steps we outlined earlier. But if you want a more reliable experience, be sure to check out the alternative I'm about to mention. This tool not only solves the issues you might face with GetResponse, but also gives you a ton of additional benefits that you won't find elsewhere. And here's the best part. If you sign up through the link below, you'll get an exclusive extended free trial to the software I recommend. It's only available to viewers like you, and trust me, you won't want to miss out on these benefits. So, if you want a smoother experience with Payhip, don't wait. Check out the link for the best free trial and additional perks.